Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to Miami, your go-to spot for all things travel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Miami, a place that's a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. Things to do in Miami. A city that pulses with vibrant energy, boasts stunning beaches, and offers a melting pot of cultures. Get ready to soak up the sun, dance to the rhythm of salsa, and experience the unique charm of this magical city. Whether you're a beach bum, a foodie, an art enthusiast, or a history buff, Miami has something special in store for you. Miami is a city that truly comes alive. The air hums with a blend of languages and the aroma of delicious food wafts from every corner. The city's unique blend of Latin American, Caribbean, and American influences creates an atmosphere unlike any other. Prepare to be captivated by Miami's infectious energy and undeniable charm. This city is ready to sweep you off your feet. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive into this ultimate Miami travel guide and uncover the best this city has to offer. From must-see spots to hidden gems, we'll explore it all, so you can plan your dream trip to the Magic City. Miami adventures await. Miami is a city that thrives on excitement. There's always something to do, see, and experience. For those who love to soak up the sun, Miami's beaches are legendary. Spend your days lounging on the soft sands of South Beach, catching some waves at Haulover Beach, or learning to windsurf at Crandon Park. But Miami is more than just beaches. Explore the vibrant Wynwood Walls, a collection of colorful murals created by renowned street artists. Take a stroll down Ocean Drive, admiring the Art Deco architecture and soaking in the lively atmosphere. For a taste of Latin culture, head to Little Havana, where you can sip Cuban coffee, savor authentic cuisine, and enjoy live music. Adventure seekers can explore the Everglades National Park, a unique ecosystem teeming with wildlife. And for a touch of luxury, indulge in a shopping spree at the upscale boutiques of Bal Harbour Shops. In Miami, the possibilities for adventure are endless. Iconic Miami landmarks you won't want to miss. No trip to Miami is complete without experiencing its iconic landmarks. Begin your journey in South Beach, famous for its Art Deco architecture and vibrant nightlife. Stroll along Ocean Drive, marveling at the pastel-colored buildings. Next, delve into Cuban culture at Little Havana. Visit Domino Park, where locals gather to play dominoes. For history, visit the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens. These landmarks showcase Miami's cultural diversity and rich history. Dive into American traditions. While Miami boasts a vibrant mix of cultures, it also embraces classic American traditions. Experience the thrill of a Major League Baseball game at Lone Depot Park, home to the Miami Marlins. Cheer alongside passionate fans as you enjoy hot dogs, popcorn, and the electric atmosphere of American sports. For a taste of local culture, attend the Calle Ocho Festival, a lively street fair celebrating Miami's Hispanic heritage. This annual event features live music, dancing, delicious food, and a vibrant parade that showcases the spirit of the community. No trip to Miami is complete without witnessing a spectacular 4th of July fireworks display. Head to Bayfront Park or South Point Park for breathtaking views of the fireworks illuminating the night sky over the Atlantic Ocean. This celebration of American independence is a sight to behold. From sporting events to cultural festivals, Miami offers a unique blend of American traditions with a local twist. Immerse yourself in these experiences to truly understand the heart and soul of this vibrant city. Miami on a budget. Tips and tricks. Miami doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning, you can experience the best of this vibrant city without overspending. Take advantage of Miami's free attractions, like the beach. Pack a picnic and spend the day soaking up the sun, swimming in the ocean, and building sandcastles. Many museums offer free admission days or discounted rates during certain hours. Check their websites before you go. Explore Miami's diverse neighborhoods on foot or by bike. This allows you to experience the city like a local and discover hidden gems along the way. For affordable dining, opt for casual eateries and ethnic restaurants. Little Havana, for instance, offers delicious Cuban food at budget-friendly prices. Consider purchasing a city pass if you plan on visiting multiple attractions. This pass provides significant savings on admission fees. Remember, the best experiences often come at no cost. Embrace the free activities, seek out discounts, and explore the city like a local to make the most of your Miami adventure without stressing your wallet. Savoring Miami, a culinary journey. Miami is a melting pot of flavors, offering a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds. From fresh seafood to Latin American specialties and international cuisines, Miami's dining scene is as diverse as its population. Start your day with a classic Cuban breakfast of café con leche and a pastelito, a pastry, at Versailles Restaurant in Little Havana. For lunch, head to Wynwood and savor authentic Mexican tacos at Coyo Taco, or indulge in a juicy Cuban sandwich at Sandwich de Miami. In the evening, experience Miami's fine dining scene. Enjoy fresh seafood with stunning ocean views at Joe's Stone Crab, or indulge in innovative American cuisine at KYU Miami. Don't forget to try a slice of key lime pie, a Florida classic, for dessert. Whether you're craving casual bites or upscale dining experiences, Miami's culinary scene has something to satisfy every palate. Be adventurous, try new flavors, and embark on a delicious journey through the city's diverse gastronomy. Miami, after dark nightlife and entertainment. As the sun sets, Miami transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife and entertainment. From pulsating nightclubs to live music venues and rooftop bars, Miami offers endless options for an unforgettable night out. Start your evening in South Beach, where world-renowned DJs spin the latest beats at iconic clubs like Live, Story, and Basement Miami. For a more laid-back vibe, explore the bars and lounges along Ocean Drive, where you can sip on cocktails and enjoy live music. Venture beyond South Beach to discover hidden gems like Ball and Chain in Little Havana, a historic bar that has been entertaining guests with live salsa music for decades. For a unique experience, catch a performance at the Adrian Arsh Center for the Performing Arts, which hosts a variety of shows, from Broadway productions to ballet and opera. Whether you're looking to dance the night away, enjoy live music, or simply relax with drinks and friends, Miami's nightlife scene has something for everyone. Embrace the city's electric energy and create unforgettable memories under the stars. Beyond the beaches, exploring Miami's natural beauty. While Miami is renowned for its stunning beaches and vibrant city life, it also boasts a surprising amount of natural beauty waiting to be explored. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. Just a short drive from downtown Miami lies Fairchild Tropical Botanic Garden, a sprawling oasis home to a diverse collection of plants, flowers, and trees from around the world. Explore themed gardens, wander through lush rainforests, and admire the beauty of nature's artistry. For a more adventurous experience, head to Oleta River State Park, Florida's largest urban park. Rent a kayak or canoe, and paddle through the serene mangrove forests, spotting native wildlife along the way. The park also offers miles of hiking and biking trails, perfect for exploring the area's natural beauty. Escape to these natural havens and discover a different side of Miami. Breathe in the fresh air, reconnect with nature, and rejuvenate your senses amidst the tranquility of these beautiful environments. Miami for art lovers, galleries, museums, and street art. Miami is a haven for art enthusiasts, boasting a thriving art scene. From world-class museums to vibrant street art, Miami offers diverse artistic expressions. Start at the Perez Art Museum, Miami, showcasing modern and contemporary art. Next, explore the street art in Wynwood, an open-air gallery. For a more intimate experience, visit independent galleries in various neighborhoods. Miami's vibrant art scene will captivate your imagination. Shopping in the Magic City, from luxury brands to local finds. Miami is a shopper's paradise, offering everything from luxury designer boutiques to local markets. For luxury, head to Bal Harbour Shops, known for upscale boutiques and high-end brands. For an eclectic mix, explore the Design District with its designer showrooms and art galleries. Visit Coconut Grove Marketplace for handmade jewelry, clothing, and unique souvenirs. Miami's diverse retail scene offers endless possibilities for every shopper. Until next time, Miami. As your Miami adventure comes to an end, take a moment to reflect on the unforgettable experiences you've had. From the sun-drenched beaches and vibrant nightlife to the diverse cultural offerings and natural beauty, Miami has left an undeniable mark on your soul. You've strolled along Ocean Drive, marveling at the Art Deco architecture, and sipped Cuban coffee in Little Havana, immersing yourself in the city's rich cultural tapestry. You've danced the night away in South Beach's iconic nightclubs and explored the hidden gems of Wynwood's art scene. But Miami is more than just a destination. It's a feeling, an energy that stays with you long after you've left. It's the warmth of the sun on your skin, the rhythm of salsa music in your ears, and the taste of fresh seafood and tropical fruits lingering on your palate. So until next time, Miami, keep shining bright, keep dancing to your own beat, and keep captivating the hearts of travelers from around the world. We'll be back for more of your magic soon. Well, there you have it, our comprehensive guide to Miami. From iconic landmarks to mouth-watering dishes and vibrant traditions, this country has something for every type of traveler. If you've been to Miami, share your experiences in the comments below. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button for more travel guides like this. Until next time, happy travels. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting travel content, and remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. See you in the next video.